Hi and welcome to VidTechy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom thumbnail to a YouTube video. To do that, click Manage Videos on your channel. After that, it will redirect you to this page and show you all your uploaded videos. This is the video I published just now. I want to change this video's thumbnail. Click the video for that. After that, scroll down. After that, YouTube suggests 3 thumbnails for me to increase click-through rate and boost ranking. Click on Upload Thumbnail if we need to upload a customized thumbnail. Then upload it. Now that the thumbnail has been added, click Save for this video. Now that our video has a custom thumbnail, we have successfully added it. In order to add a custom thumbnail to our video, YouTube suggests some recommendations. There should be a resolution of 1280 to 720 pixels, etc. The recommendations are as follows. Your account must be verified in order to change the custom thumbnail. I will include this link in the description. You can find more details here. I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to see more videos about YouTube marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel VidTechy. Thanks for watching.